Dear children, last day I taught you hot dessert. Now see or read a cold dessert Ladakh. Hot dessert and cold dessert have many similarities as well as differences. The similarities include scanty precipitation, sparse vegetation, warren expanses, and uninhabited areas. The major differences are of climate and relief. Ladakh is an example of cold desert. Locally, it is known as Khampachan, which means snowland. Natural environment. Ladakh is situated in the eastern part of the state of Jammu and Kashmir in India. It is one of the highest region of the world. It is a rocky desert which has high plains dissected by the deep valley. The region is bound in the north by Karakoram range and in the south by Janskar range. The Ladakh range runs through the region. In the southeast lies Rups, an area with an average height of about 4,100 meters. It has large brackish lake called Pangong. So the region is drained by the Jaskar and the Soyak rivers. Many glaciers lie in the Karakoram range. Now, climate. The climate of Ladakh is cold and dry because of its high elevation and great distance from the sea. Leh is the coldest place which records minus 28 degree temperature in January. Average annual precipitation is very low, just 84 mm, which falls down in the form of fine dry flake snow. Vegetation and wildlife. Ladakh has very sparse vegetation due to its harsh climate. Grasses and shrubs grow on mountain slopes. Stone, willow, and poplar trees grow in the valleys along the rivers, while junipers grow on higher slopes. Wildlife of Ladakh is comprised of wild goats, yak, hare, kyangong, mule-like animals, and barasingha, while pigeon, grey heron, pintail, chikara, and carrion crow are some peculiar and unique birds of Ladakh. Lizard is the only reptile found in the region. People and economic of Ladakh. Natural environment of Ladakh is not suitable for human habitation. The region is sparsely populated with a population of barely 2% per square kilometer. The people of eastern Ladakh are Tibetan Buddhist, while those of western Ladakh are Muslim. Occupation wise, the people of Ladakh are either shepherds inhabiting the upper valleys or agriculturists. They grow wheat, barley, millet, buckwheat, peas, beans, and turnip in the lower valleys. They also manufacture woolen cloth. The shepherd rear sheep, goats, yak, and ponies. Sheep and the goats are mainly reared for milk, meat, and wool, while yaks and ponies are used as beasts of burden. Excellent shawls, carpet, and blankets are manufactured here. Pashmina from goats is the main source of income. Crafts like weaving, carpet making, and embroidery have flourished. For the past 3 decades, Ladakh has undergone a tremendous change. Despite its remoteness, the capital Leh attracts tourists for foreign countries also. Tourism has emerged as the most important industries in Ladakh. The monasteries and gampas are the major attraction for tourists. Hemis, Thikese and Ruru Lama Iru are some of the famous monasteries. The winter season is also the time for annual festivals in the Gompas. Ladakh is a paradise for lovers of adventure, sport, mountaineering, trekking, river rafting, and the canyon. The opening up of Srinagar Leh Road has been a major cause for development of tourism in the region. The Manali Leh Road is the highest motorable road in the world. Air services are also available in Leh. This remote region has now become accessible to the world. It has brought change in the lifestyle of the local people who have kept their traditional religion Buddhism alive. Life in the tropical and subtropical region. The tropical region lies close to the equator and extends between the 10° north and 10° south. The subtropical region extends from 10° to 30 north and south latitude. The Amazon River flows through the tropical region and has given rise to Amazon basin in South America. The Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers flow through the subtropical region. They have given rise to Ganga-Brahmaputra basin in the Indian subcontinent. Therefore, these two regions have different physical environment and economic activities. Now, next day. Thanks.